Think simply. Weld smarter with the Multimatic 255. Solving problems that reduce productivity, like difficult-to-use machines that cause downtime. The Multimatic 255 has a simple user interface that's easy for welders of all skill levels, reducing setup and changeover time by 40%. With other machines, trial and error is the only way to find the right weld parameters, which wastes time and causes rework. With Auto Set Elite, the Multimatic 255 makes it easy for any welder to select the right parameters. In the field, being equipped with multiple single-process machines means there's more gear to move, which is unproductive time. The Multimatic 255 is a true multi-process machine. It's all you need to handle MIG, stick, DC TIG, and pulsed MIG. And moving it between jobs is easy. With other machines, switching from one weld task to another can be a time-consuming process, as all the new parameters are dialed in. The Multimatic 255 has programmable memory settings, so when it's time to switch tasks, changes are fast and easy. All this means you can think simply and weld smarter with the Multimatic 255.